Now, we have to discuss the last case of that mesh analysis, that is a current source exists between two meshes. So, this is the current source which is present between two meshes, We have one and two meshes, no? A current source is present between two meshes. Then how we can calculate that current I1 and I2. So, super mesh results when two meshes have a dependent or independent current sources in common. So, this concept is nothing but super mesh concept. So, if a current source is present between any two meshes, this will forms a super mesh. Then only we have to calculate I1 and I2. Okay? Results when two meshes have a dependent or independent current source in common between those two loops. Then how we can proceed to calculate the currents I1 and I2? We have I1, I2. Then the procedure to calculate I1, I2 is nothing but a super mesh was created by excluding the current source and the elements which are connected in series with that, all are excluding. So, simple, from this circuit we have to remove this current source. In addition with that current source, the elements which are connected in series with that current source should be excluded from this circuit. That is, here we have only one element, that is 2 ohms is connected in series with that 6 amp current source. Means we have to exclude this part from here to, means we have to remove this part from this circuit and follow the remaining procedure. Why we have to remove this current source in addition with that remaining series connected elements? Because mesh analysis applies KVL, we all know that, and we do not know the voltage across a current source well in advance. We do not know the exact voltage drop across the 6 amp current source, though we are providing KVL, but we do not know the voltage drop across this 6 amps current source. We do not know, that is why we have to remove this branch outside. In addition with that 6 amp source or current source, we have to remove entire branch which are connected in series with that current source. Simple, we have to remove this branch from here to here. Then super mesh created, that is when the circuit, therefore the circuit becomes, therefore the circuit becomes so 10 4 I1 I2. So, this is 20 volts, this is given 6 ohms, this is 10 ohms, this is 4 ohms. Just we have to remove this part, no? Excluded. This is super mesh. This is super mesh. This is the concept of super mesh. Now, we have to calculate the currents I1 and I2. It's look like simple loop, no? Before that, we have to write KVL from this. So, this is I 6 amps is nothing but leaving current from this, and I2 is like this, and I1 is like this. So, from this leaving current, entering current is nothing but I2, entering current is I2, which is equals to what? I1 plus 6. This is 1. Clear? From this circuit by KVL, so look like simple loop, but we have to write the equations with respect to I1 and I2 only. Okay? Starting from here, minus 20 plus 6 I1 because this 6 ohm branch is connected in loop 1 itself. Then coming to with respect to this loop 1 minus 20 6 ohms completed, coming to this branch plus 10, the current is I2 plus 4 I2 is equals to 0. From this 6 I1 plus 14 I2 is equals to 20. This is equation 1, no? Substitute equation from 1 and 2. This is 2. I2 is equals to I1 plus 6. So, 6 I1 14 into I1 plus 6 is equals to 20. That is 20 I1 plus IT4 which is equals to 20. 20 I1 is equals to minus 64. I1 is what? Minus 3.2 amps. I1 is minus 3.2 amps. So, from this I1 is minus 3.2, that is 6 to 12, 20.2. From this minus 20.2 plus 14 I2 is equals to 20, 14 I2 is equals to 40.2. From this I2 is equals to what? We will get 40.2 by 14. This is right. Substitute this I1 into any of the equation, or you can substitute in this 6.2 minus 3.2, you will get 2.8. Simple. This is 2.8 amps. 6.2, 6 minus 3.2, we will get 2.8. So, like this we have to calculate the currents if a current source present between two meshes, that is the concept of super mesh. Simple. We have to first, if the problem is given like this, first we have to write the equation based upon that KCL. Here the entering current is I2, leaving currents are nothing but given 6 amp and I1. So, I1 plus 6 completed. Then we have to exclude this part with respect to current source, the elements which are connected in series with that current source, all are, if we have n number of branches are connected in with respect to in series with that current source, we have to remove all branches. Okay? Simple. From here to here we have to remove and apply simple KVL, we will get second loop equation. So, substitute this equation into this, we will get I1 and I2. This is about the concept of super mesh.